Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn the purple smoky eye with the help of taping and the flat applicator brush, applying the color to the outer edges of the eye. As you can see, if you want to see the color you can reverse the video and take the screenshot. The palette I am using is the Pretty All Set UCANBE. Again, taking the brinjal color from the eyeshadow palette, applying it to the outer edges, giving more depth to the color, blending it. Now applying the darkest blue color, giving more depthness to the color, blending the eyeshadow with the help of big blending brush. Depositing the color to the crease line of the eye. Applying the pressed glitter eyeshadow in color white to the outer edges of the eye. Now using the Charm Walk Beautica metallic glitter in the color silver, applying it with the help of flat applicator. Now the look after lashes and removing the taping. Now going to do the under eye smudging, under eye work, and for this I am taking the white kajal pencil from the brand Charm Walk Beauty, Applying it to the lower lashes of the eye. Smudging it with the help of smudge brush in the same color, purple one. Applying the mascara to the lower lashes. From the brand Maybelline Colossal. So here is the final look in front of you. So if you have any query, you can comment in the comment box. Till then, bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Practice, practice.